This is the 10-year overview reading for Meta throughout the years of 2020 through 2029. It's currently September 8th, 2022, approximately 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So the overall theme and behavior for Meta shares, we have a notable decline. So on a multi-year chart, this is very bearish, my friends. Off of a peak or crest, there's just like a catastrophic breakdown of the company, and we revisit a support level in the midst of some sideways rotation. There's a sharp drop that'll stand out on a one-year chart, and we revisit a support level that was a past opportunity, and that's on a multi-year scale. Definitely, I want to cash out at the high of this 10-year period. There's a big move to the low and from the low, out of the low for Meta. Behavior in 2020, we had a male ruler, possibly the CEO, something to do with leadership and leading it in a new direction. 2021, we had some unexpected things take place and a big move to the upside. 2022, three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price levels, confirming a bullish trend. 2023, we revisit past problems. There's a flight to safety, a big decline through a key support level on a multi-year chart. Decline continues in 2024, a prominent decline that'll stand out on a multi-year chart in 2024. In 2025, we have a rally out of, matter of fact, the decline in 2024 does offer an opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of that decline. And in 2025, we have a rally, but it ends with a fast, sudden rally along a diagonal trend line. It ends with a fast, sudden move to the upside, followed by a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Something to do with the male ruler with the CEO. 2026, we have a key resistance level that's highlighted. Volume and price movement really flatten out around this key price level. Then in 2027, we have a period of volatility with a sharp dip in the midst of that volatility. It'll stand out on a multi-year chart. A prominent trough or bottom on a multi-year chart in 2028. Notable, probably a pretty significant decline to reach the bottom there. And then we have a peak near overbought territory on our RSI when looking at a multi-year chart. There's a peak that we sell profit taking, and then we sell down from in 2029. Sneak preview card for the following 10-year period. Oh, big move to the upside for the following 10-year period. The 2030s are looking real big, pushing the upper end of a range higher. That's a very, very bullish indication. So when we hit that support level that we revisit and it was a past opportunity, that's an opportunity to get in on a long-term scale. If you're looking to hold this like multi-year, over longer than 10 years even. Let's see if we can find a correlation here. So the Princess of Discs. All right, so we have a high in 2022. Yeah, we have a high in 2022, and we have a sharp decline out of that high starting in 2022. The high and the low are within close proximity to each other. There's a relationship between the high card and the low card. And that would make sense because there's a really significant drop from a peak or crest, and it'll stand out on a multi-year chart. That's the overall theme. So they could be within close proximity to each other, and that would make sense. Like 2022 is the high. We decline into 2023 where we see an opportunity to open up a long position. Excuse me, 2024 where we see an opportunity to open up a long position. Let's see what we got for the Magus card. We have a low in 2020. We have another low in 2023. We have another low, it looks like, in 2027. See what else we got here. So that's Meta for 10-year period 2020 through 2029, my friends. Likely what I would do is sell at a high in 2020. If it hasn't passed, I'll do a 1 year for 2020. If people request that, I'll do a one year for 2020. See where the best opportunity to get out is. Looks like you'd want to get back in the midst of a decline in 2024. And that's Meta for a 10-year period, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, my friends, when you make that money, pay it forward, pay it backwards. Make sure it's all out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.